In today's video, I've got a really good store I want to tell you guys about. Here in Texas, we have a store that's called Shop Miss A, where everything is $1. Beauty products, accessories, makeup, brushes, cleaning supplies, anything beauty related, it's only $1. So you know that I had to go to the store and show you guys what I got, because some of you guys that live in California or in other states are not familiar with this store, and they do have an online store where everything is $1 and it's free shipping after $35, which is the best. I can't wait to show you what I got. If you're interested, please keep watching. Before we start, I do want to tell you guys about Shop Miss A. Shop Miss A provides cruelty-free beauty and makeup at only $1. We do have a section online where it's called the Charity Edition, and they have it in Pawpaw Collection, A+ Collection, and Reuse Collection. In the Pawpaw Collection, you will actually be able to see that it says donate 100% of your contribution will be donated towards Animals Against Abuse and Neglect, and they show you that the prices are actually more than $1, but that's because that specific product will go towards your charity edition. And then they also have a section that is called A+ Collection, and in this collection they actually have the makeup, which is face primers, beauty blenders, foundations, and that will go to part of the proceeds from the A+ collection are donated to children's education locally and all over the world. So that is awesome. They also have another collection, so another charity they donate to, that's called the Reuse Collection, and it's 100% of your contribution will be donated towards earth conservation efforts like ocean cleanup and waste reduction. These are the type of companies that I love supporting because they see past making money. They want to make sure that those that are in need are getting the contributions they need, like the donations. All of the stuff on this website is so cute. The experience of shopping in person is even better. It's such a cute store. Depending on the location you go to in Texas, they will be big, small, but they all carry the same exact things. So I did pick up a couple of things while I was in store, and I wanted to show you guys because I'm obsessed and you guys will be too. So this is the big bag that I picked up from Shop Miss A, and they actually have an Instagram. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave their Instagram right over here so you guys can check it out. Remember, they have a website, so those of you that are not in Texas are able to shop online too. So the first items that I'm going to be talking about are hair accessories. So as soon as you walk in, you see a really big wall full of hair accessories, headbands, accessories. They've got a bunch of scrunchies, so I picked up these 3 scrunchies. And you guys know, if you are obsessed with scrunchies like I am, that they get kind of expensive, especially when it comes with the designs and just like the different colors of them. So for $1 each, this was a steal, and they had so many more designs, but I was on a budget, so I was only able to pick up 3. These were the cutest ones that I saw. The headband I did pick up because I'm going to be doing a video on how I do my eyelash extensions at home, and this is going to come in handy to keep my hair back. So I definitely recommend picking up one of these if you do go online or in the store. So more hair accessories that I picked up are these 2 clips, and these clips have been very popular for the updo messy look that has been going around Instagram, and picking these up in a very nude color. They're not very loud colors, so they'll definitely be able to style with all the outfits that I paired together. This is so cute, and it was only $1, guys. If I say that they're $1 so many times, it's because I'm in shock that everything was $1. Show you how I've seen the most popular way to wear this clip. Very messy and looks like you didn't try much, with some strands out. So I'm pretty sure can't see, but I have short hair, and so it gets the job done in a sense. All right, so the next items that I passed by were the jewelry section. So anything earring is my favorite, and all of these, like I said before, were $1. These remind me more of a high-end jewelry, and I was very surprised to see them at the store. They have that very good quality feel. They're very heavy, so they don't feel dainty. So this is what they look like. I'm super excited to wear them with like a bun, an updo, something very simple, so that these make a statement pieces. So I was happy that I found these there. Look how beautiful these earrings are. They look expensive. They look like they didn't cost me $1, and they look so elegant. They'll make probably any dress stand out and dress up. Look how beautiful! Oh my gosh. So the next earrings I picked up were actually these cute little things. Look how cute those earrings are. I actually have not seen anything like this. They have like that tie-dye, gold, orange, blue effect on them, and they're super cute. Very out of my color palette for my style, but this is something that I'm interested in styling, along with a low bun as well. All of these earrings I picked up are definitely a little different, but that's what makes them very fun to play with because they were $1. Look at how cute these were, especially in this nude color. Oh, that is everything. Oh my gosh. $1. I'm going to make sure you know that it was $1. These are beautiful. These are very beautiful addition to add to your summer outfits, especially when you're just going for something simple, and the earrings will make a louder statement. So now we're moving on to everything beauty related. I'm so excited. So the first beauty related item that I picked up is actually a dry shampoo. And this one was actually, I believe, $1.55, but that's because it's a part of their charity collection. I want to smell what this smells like, because I didn't smell it in store. Oh my gosh. It doesn't smell like anything. It says that it's the smell of a gentle clean and no white residue, and I can definitely say that. I'm actually gonna put some in my hair right now. Let's see. So it definitely, oh my god, it definitely added volume to my hair. Let's try this side. Okay, there was definitely white residue, maybe because I shook the can, but I actually purchased the one from Target that's like $7. Very expensive in my opinion. I go and I contemplate on picking it up because it's so expensive, but this was $1.55, like I said, special edition, and it doesn't smell very strong. It was actually able to rub it off very easily. And I actually quite like this. For $1.55, I'm actually really happy that I picked this up. So the next beauty product that I will be talking about are the Paw Wonder Blender. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, this is my third time purchasing this beauty blender. I love this beauty blender so much, and I've tried so many. I've tried the original beauty blender and I did not like it. The Morphe, I did not like it. I was not able to apply my makeup as nice as I usually do when I apply this one. It is so soft. I'm going to show you the other beauty blender that I have. This is the beauty blender that I use currently from Shop Miss A, and you can tell that I really love this blender, and I think I replace them every 3 to 4 months, depending on how much makeup I wear. But I clean them so good and they last a really long time, and so I just had to pick up another one just so that I have extra, so I don't have to go back to the store. But definitely a really good investment. It's like a really soft sponge. I hope that you guys run to go order these because these are the best, and for $1.55 and they go to charity, the best deal ever. You guys need to make sure that you hop on this. Okay, So the next items that I will talk about in the beauty section are actually these eyelashes. So Shop Miss A actually has their own lashes that look like this. They only had 2 styles available, which I think were Tina and Jenna. This was the Jenna style that I got, a very natural look. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing that. Very natural, small, nothing too dramatic. These are a part of their charity collection too. So these are $1.55. Beautiful packaging for $1.55. So coming out of the package, it looks like this. Very subtle, something very natural. On the box, it says that it's natural and luxurious. So it definitely says what it looks like. Very beautiful. Some of you guys may not know, but I actually prefer individual eyelash extensions only because I like a very subtle, natural eye. So I'll put a couple on the ends of my eye and it'll look like a nice cat eye. These were $1 at Shop Miss A, and they come with so many, and I'm excited to use them for my lash extensions. I'm actually gonna try these instead of the Ardell because these have that more natural look that I like, a little flare. Go to Walgreens, they're like maybe like $6 or $7 depending on what brand you get, but to have these for $1, so easy. All right. So the next 3 products I got were a sharpener because I've got a lot of lip pencils that need sharpening. So this was $1 too. And then the best part was that Shop Miss A sells makeup wipes and they come in different scents. So the scent that I picked up was actually green tea. Look, literally took off already half my lipstick. I don't want to take off my foundation yet. Okay, yeah, so they definitely did the job to take off my makeup. I think a little too well right here. But definitely this is like for on-the-go travel emergency that's gonna help you out with your makeup needs. So I would definitely look into this if you're looking for something on the go. The next item that I picked up is actually this setting spray, and I'm in need of a setting spray because my Morphe setting spray is actually running out. So I decided to pick this one up, especially because it was only $1.88 and the proceeds go to charity. So it says how to use after makeup application. Hold the A+ setting spray about 12 inches from the face and spray several times, allowed to dry. So I am going to take the bottle out to show you. Ooh, so the bottle looks like this, very pink. It's a small bottle, definitely a small bottle, but it was $1. So we're going to try this setting spray and see how it comes out. I'm gonna uncap it, and then I'm going to spray some on my hand just so that I can smell what it smells like. Oh wow, it smells like, it's very fragranced, and it's very strong, but it goes away really fast. So I'm gonna try this on my face. Let's see. Definitely closer than 12. So it says that it's supposed to lock in makeup. It's lightweight and a matte finish. So as it's drying, I can definitely feel that it's doing that. And it says also that it's long lasting. So this is, like I said, a good on the go if you're wanting to try something very affordable instead of having to spend $20-something on a setting spray. This would be your go-to. Look at how it's drying, guys. And that's saying that I've had, you know, makeup on for a while today and it's looking okay. I was able to buy so many things at Shop Miss A, including makeup brushes. Now, the beauty of going into Shop Miss A, especially with the whole coronavirus, you don't want to really touch anything. They come packaged already, so no one touches the brush, which is beautiful. Along with, they come in separate glass containers telling you what each brush is for. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So it's beautiful, it's so soft. It is so soft, and I actually have this one already and it works really nice. I don't know anywhere that you're gonna be able to find a makeup brush for $1, so definitely check these out. You can literally buy a whole set, and I believe they have a whole set for like $10, so you can check that out. The best brushes ever. Going to the store, they actually had a lot of makeup options: blush, concealer, foundation, highlighter, lipsticks, lip gloss, anything that you could need for your everyday beauty needs, they had. So I was actually only going to pick up 3 items, and I picked up lip products because that's something that I use every day and I don't mind adding more to. So I picked up the Shop Miss A 1331 in Shore, and I also picked up 1332 in Bliss along with the Wonder Lip Liner. So this one is the 1332 in Bliss, and that's what it looks like. Very pretty and nice. I'm just gonna take a quick swatch and I'm going to run it across. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is for $1. Oh my god. It almost matches. It's like a darker shade of the Kylie one that I have on. This is beautiful, and it's literally so creamy. Oh my god. Again, guys, this was in 1332 Bliss. You guys need to get these. These are so good. Okay, so let's try the next color, the 1331 Shore. So this is what this one looks like. We're gonna go ahead and swatch this one. Oh my god. Is that not like the perfect nude? Oh, I want to take the one I have off now and put one of these on. So at the store, they also have accessories for your home, meaning they have fragrances, candles, things to put in your humidifier. And then they also have things that will help you out with your eyebrows, your lashes. So I picked up a essential oil that's called Happy, and it smells really good, along with a brow razor set. And I've been really into kind of razoring the little hairs that I have on my face, along with doing my own eyebrows, especially because of the virus. So these are very essential, and I actually used these in Josephine's diffuser. It smells so good. It's not as concentrated, so the smell's not strong at all, very fresh, just like how I like to have the baby's room. Okay guys, so every item I spent in today's video was worth the $1, or the $1.55 or the $1.88, knowing that I bought it for $1 and that some of it goes to charities and they donate makes me feel a lot better than shopping a really big retail store and spending so much more money. I am so excited that I will make sure to leave a couple links down below to different items I think are cool if I can't find exactly the links for the products I bought. But definitely check this store out and give it a try. You won't regret the purchase you make from Shop Miss A. So if you like this video and if you've shopped Miss A before, leave a comment down below. Let me know what the best item that you bought from there was so that I can give it a try. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye.